Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro. And to call Siri, by default you should press and hold, you should press 3 times at your left earbud. The touch area is located right here. So just press 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. But let me show it to you how to customize it. So, open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see this menu. Right here you need to tap at the custom buttons, and right here, as you can see, it's set to the left earbuds at the triple tap, but you can also add it to the double tap for the left or right earbuds. You can't add it to the press and hold. Okay, so only to this. Now let's say you wanna add it for the right earbud for the double press. You just tap on it and then select voice assistant. Now you can go back and let's check it. It should also work. So I press 2 times at my right earbud, 1, 2, and Siri also awake here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!